This tutorial will show you how to properly and responsibly use the E+Mergency travel pack. It will provide you with basic and essential information that can be useful under certain circumstances. A peace of mind. The E+Mergency travel pack is TSA approved and comes in 3 color variants: red, black, and blue. It weighs 2 pounds, 8 ounces, and holds 16 items, including the bag itself. The travel pack consists of 3 4.2-ounce water pouches. Be wise when using or consuming. 1 4-ounce pouch is needed for your emergency food. Emergency food. Your travel pack comes with 1 8-ounce meal, a heating pad that's triggered by water, and a flameless meal heater. Each meal is dated and with their own nutrition facts. Tear here to open your flameless meal heater. Take the heating pad and place it inside the meal heater. Pour 1 full pouch of emergency drinking water. Then immediately place your food inside. Do not forget to fully seal. Between 3 to 5 minutes, the meal heater will begin to steam from the top and then fold from the bottom. Take out your food and let stand until cool. Then open and enjoy. The blue travel pack is the only one that includes 1 carbohydrate and electrolyte powdered beverage. Safety matches. Be safe when using matches. Keep cover closed. Strike here to ignite. Multi-tool. The multi-tool is stainless steel, 3.5 inches, and has 7 functions. It also has a keychain loop that has 5 feet of 550 paracord fastened to it. The blade is 2.5 inches long. It can be used as a tool or as a weapon for defense. To use the can opener, place the top head on the inside of the lip and the bottom tooth on the outside of the bottom lip. Then puncture and continue until fully open. Be careful not to cut yourself on the sharp edges of the can. With these scissors, you can cut through thin fabric, earphone wire, paper, and even fishing line. When using the bottle opener, similar to the can opener, place the big head over the top and the bottom tooth under the cap. Then peel off. The corkscrew is used to draw cork from a bottle, like so. A filer, which is self-explanatory, and a screwdriver. The multi-tool is also sold separately online. Fastened to the keychain loop on the multi-tool is 5 feet of 550 paracord. This paracord can hold up to 550 pounds. This is a 50-pound weight, and it was lowered down from a 23-foot high bridge, using the same exact paracord. The glow stick. The glow stick is waterproof, non-toxic, and non-flammable. Simply bend to crack and shake to light. The glow stick will last up to 13 hours. Emergency whistle. The emergency whistle can be used to help aid in deterring or preventing crime, or it may be a call for help if you're lost, sick, or injured. Latex gloves. Cuffed and powder free. The left glove goes on the left hand, and the right glove goes on the right hand. Five individual antiseptic towelettes, good for disinfecting and cleaning hands or surfaces, and can also be helpful when dressing wounds. Gauze can be used as a temporary absorbent. and good for scrubbing, cleaning, and dressing wounds or burns. Medical tape. Pressure-sensitive adhesive, easy to tear, and waterproof. Not only is it good for first aid, but also binding or holding together. The Poncho. One size fits all. Covers your head, arms, and legs to help keep you dry. The KN95 non-medical face mask is for civil use and to protect yourself and others. Use the ear loop to help cover your mouth and nose. Compass. Both the red and the blue E+Mergency travel pack includes one lensatic compass. The blue travel pack instead includes one gold compass. The lensatic compass has several different functions. A sighting wire fitted with sighting dots to precisely determine a location, along with a slot lens to focus on the base plate and find an azimuth. A graduated straight edge for a precision layout, and a 360-degree rotating bezel ring that points in the same direction of the travel line. Although both compasses are important instruments for navigation, the gold compass is good luck and glows in the dark. A 4-pack of AAA batteries, the same size needed for your emergency flashlight. When necessary, to change out the batteries, unscrew the bottom piece, where the keychain loop hangs. The flashlight only requires 3 batteries to work. Last but not least, the bag itself. The bag itself stands at 6.5 inches, 8.3 inches long, and 3 inches deep. It's eco-friendly and waterproof. It can be used to hold almost anything, specifically the other emergency products that we sell on the internet and in our online store. Check us out on Facebook and engage in interesting and informative conversations. Also on Twitter to stay updated with E+Mergency. Watch our videos on YouTube and take a look at our soon-to-come products on Pinterest. The links are in the description.
See package for details.